Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking.
My best life. I'm living my best life. Made a couple
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a skincare routine for acne. So hope you guys like it, enjoy, comment, share down below. Share down below. Say hi. For my soap, I use, let me see that number 2, this one. Let me see that number 2. So I use it, I wash my face with it. Baby, pull me closer. Boop, boop. Boop, boop up. Boop, boop up. Baby, pull me closer. So you can breathe. Something so mad. Until I find. I don't do a lot because my skin is very sensitive. Lip gloss on my lips. Yeah, that's all I do for my skincare routine. I don't do a lot. I don't do much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more videos. If you wanna see like me doing other videos like challenges, pranks and with Gigi. Comment down below like what kind of videos.
What you know about Thailand?